had the grand opening of the Great Lego Race. It is the first virtual reality coaster completely built for kids, and it's the first time that the Lego brand has integrated virtual reality technology into a theme park attraction. It's going to be a really cool experience for kids. It's something that would have been in their imagination before. They combine the different Lego play sets, and they also, they make not normal race cars. They make really wacky race cars, and this was a way to bring that to life. When guests get up to the platform, they'll be given instructions on how to put on the headset. You can actually move the dial at the top to adjust to your vision, and then you'll tighten it in the back, and then it's off, and put the pedal to the plastic, and the race starts, and it is completely immersive. Even if you have ridden a Wild Mouse style roller coaster before, you've never experienced anything like this. Certainly don't feel overwhelmed by it. It is really a natural feeling because the technology is so precise that every move feels very natural. And if for some reason you do feel like it's a little too intense for you, you're welcome to take off the VR headset. It's completely safe. Just hold it in your lap. It is connected to the ride, so you'll be perfectly fine, and you'll still get to enjoy the roller coaster without the virtual reality headset.